So good everyone, Mazes okay speaking to us. This is a breaking news. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, is now officially a member of the People's Democratic Party, the PDP. Moments ago, Obaseki was seen, having a triumphal entry into the PDP office in Edo State, in Benin City. Now, he has officially declared for the People's Democratic Party. Sadly, the APC has lost it. If you remember, Obaseki has been in a running battle with Adams Oshomole, who somehow said because of his certificate not having an I, that is Obasek and Obaseki and other conjunctures, they screened him out. And because they've done, he's been running. We've seen him go to Rivers State, go to Akwa Ibom State. Now he is officially in the PDP. That means all the structures that he has in Edo State is now going to be moved. According to him, that's what he said. You think I'm kidding? This is, I'll let you watch the video because, as I said, it is a breaking news, and he is now, you can take it that Mazezoke said it, he is now officially a member of PDP. That means the November election is really, really getting interesting. So let's see what is going to happen next. You think I am kidding you? Then I'll let you watch the video of him becoming official member of the PDP.
Within the states and across the country to become a member of PDP. Yeah! The People's Democratic Party, PDP, in my view, has demonstrated within the states and across the country to become a member of PDP. Yeah! The People's Democratic Party, PDP, in my view, has demonstrated.
One more time!
Power to the people! By the special grace of God, who reads the heart, who knows the heart of man, who knows the past and the future, who knows the beginning and the end. He sees what we don't see. He knows what we don't know. He knows that Godwin, he comes from a large family in Benin Kingdom. He went to school. He finished his secondary school. He went to University of Ibadan. He finished. There were no issues. Fly colors. He went to US. He did his masters. He came back home. He started helping people to set up businesses, to manage businesses. He helped to set up many banks, including several second generation banks. Then he came home to give support to me, to bring on board what I do not have. Because I am not a finance man, and he became the chairman of our economic team. So, everything we have done, the road from Arewa to Zenema, Godwin had hand. The road from here to Uboha, Godwin has hand. The schools here, Godwin has hand. The water everywhere, Godwin has hand. He has been part of the tradition. He knows the vision. He knows the mission. He knows the target. He knows where we are. He knows the challenges, and he knows how to overcome them. To deliver all that he has promised, he will do. It's a family tradition to keep our word. That is what APC represents. The only thing I forgot is that even with the economic crisis, today that many local governments can't afford salaries because of the drop in price and the destruction of our pipelines. Samopo, I was here when we commissioned the market for Uromi market women. Correct or not? Now you just ask me. Come on now. You just ask me. What can Yakubu say is his outstanding accomplishment when he was local government chairman?